So for the next technique, I'm going to show you how to do this glow effect on the Razor Warjack. So in the official paint scheme, these hollowed recesses scattered over the jack have this really awesome kind of orangey yellow glow effect. So what I'm doing is all of those areas I've filled in with Sol Yellow from scale 75, and then on the larger sections, I put a line of Teneri Yellow, also from scale 75, right down the center. And so after you get that down and you let that dry, you want to thin out a little bit of Magma Draw Flame, which is a really nice, bright, heavily pigmented orange. And you want to thin that down about 50-50. I used Army Painter Speed Paint Medium to do so. And so I've got that on my palette down here. And all you're going to do is go ahead and fill the entire cavity with that thin down contrast paint. And then very quickly wipe off your brush, get the excess moisture off, make sure you got a really nice fine tip, and then we're going to essentially draw a line right down the center, which will remove that orange contrast paint from that line of Teneri Yellow. And that's how you get the white hot center of the glow. And now you'll also notice I carried the Sol Yellow as an edge highlight around these areas just to set them off and give a little bit of a sense of depth to the miniature. Now, on some of the smaller recesses, you really can't draw a really fine line of Teneri Yellow. So in those areas, like here, I just put a dot of it right in that corner. And the same thing on the eyes. Toward the back, I just put a dot in that back corner. And that's the glow effect done. And for the Warcaster, I did something very similar for his eyes. So I just dotted his pupils white using this insanely fine detail brush. And then once that was dry, I came in with a little Frostheart contrast from Citadel, applied that in the eye socket, and then took my brush, washed it off, and just kind of moved that around so it acted more of a filter instead of laying down solid color. And that makes it look like his eyes are glowing and he's about to cast a spell.